So this is the original fire bottle that came with the car from 1964. We had another one imported from Germany, and we ended up restoring this bottle. We powder coated it to the original red color. We had the original top on here, and we scanned the label from this bottle. I put it in Photoshop and redid some of the wording, and we had it sent to a company that could redo the label on transferable ink onto a vinyl sheet. So we had to cut that and put it on here and place it on the bottle. And you just rub a little bit and it comes off, and then we clear coated it so that the label wouldn't come off. And this rare bottle, there's less than probably 100 in the whole world. So this rare bottle definitely enhanced the value of the car. So this is the original case that came with one of the fire bottles. So this is a good item to have if you want to preserve your bottle and, you know, preserve the label and it won't get scratched or anything like that. So this is a super rare item. It's really nice and keeps the bottle protected. So we really enjoyed the way that this turned out, and it matches the car perfectly. It's in the signal red, nice and shiny, brand new. So this is definitely an awesome addition to your car and will increase the value.